Today's tip is just something that Corey and I see quite a bit here in University Village. Naturally, as things age, they start to deteriorate and break down. So, one thing is these P traps. Originally they're installed, they're metal. Well, as time goes on, they can just break down, and then what happens is they start to rust and then they leak. So, what you could do is easily replace these metal ones with plastic. I mean, the plastic P traps for what you got going on right here with the dishwasher tailpiece, maybe it's like $20 in parts, and something that, if you're courageous enough, you can easily do yourself by just taking all this apart and replacing it with plastic, or something that a handyman that can do that would, yeah, they probably would maybe charge you, if they're just doing this just to come out, maybe like $150. You'll also have these P traps underneath your bathroom sinks as well too. So you may want to take a look at those, because there's a strong chance that those may be breaking down and need to be replaced. So if you do multiple sinks at one time, if you're going to hire somebody to do it, usually they'll cut you a price break because they're doing more work than just coming out for one single item.